happy spring everyone. Winter's finally over, but it still feels really cold here in Japan. It's like, I don't know, -2 in some parts like Kyoto. So yeah, it's spring, but it still doesn't quite feel like that yet. The sun is really warm here in Osaka at least, but as soon as you step into the shade, it's super chilly, so you gotta be a little bit careful. Just a few more weeks until everything gets really nice. Though in some parts, sakura are already coming out, so it's starting to look really beautiful here. Really stoked for the next school year coming up. And with the beginning of spring, I feel like that's the perfect time to start up a new series here. I've always wanted to show you a bunch of kind of running routes, hikes, places that I like to frequent in a way that isn't the typical vlog style. So here I am trying to experiment here. Feel free to come run with me, kick back, relax, enjoy the sights, and listen to some tunes along the way. If you are planning to visit Japan, just know that spring is by far the most busy season. As you saw already here, you know, Osaka Castle is like one of the biggest landmarks, right? So, bunch of tourists. If you don't like crowds and stuff, I actually recommend autumn, fall season, like maybe October, maybe late November, because that's when the fall leaves come out, the koyo, and it's still very beautiful, but not quite as many people, especially in big places like here or Kimiyazadera in Kyoto, stuff like that. So, I mean, if you want good weather where it's not too hot, not too cold, got a nice breeze, still get that color, autumn is for sure my recommendation. So I totally forgot that today's a national holiday, so that explains partially why there's so many people here. Of course, you know, if you do come to visit Japan, all the major sites like, you know, Osaka Castle, you know, big temples, stuff like that are always gonna have people, but for sure on like national holidays and weekends you're gonna have tourists and of course all the locals. So kind of makes sense. So if you're trying to plan your vacation, definitely keep the national holidays in mind, because that's for sure gonna be, you know, the big, you know, rush hour zone kind of for vacation time. I actually took a couple weeks off from running after the marathon because my Achilles tendon was really sore, so wanted to let that recover. But for sure in the next coming weeks I want to do more and more runs. Yeah, do some trail runs, go some parks that I really like, kind of show you guys a different part of Japan that I feel like most other people don't. We'll see. And once I figure out how to use this camera, hopefully the battery situation will be a lot better, so I can give you a lot more cool footage and stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna finish my run and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.